Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of cheesy chicken sliders. These sliders are made with fresh homemade dinner rolls. Without further delay, let's get started. To begin with, we need dinner rolls for this dish. I have already shared the recipe of these dinner rolls. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can use store-bought dinner rolls or pav buns to make this dish. These dinner rolls are pillowy soft and spongy. Next, I'm going to prepare the chicken filling. For that, take 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil in a pan. Add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add in 400 grams of chopped boneless chicken. Chop the boneless chicken into smaller size like this. I have used a chicken breast to prepare this dish. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the chicken changes the color, add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Saute it until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. In goes salt as needed. Since it's boneless chicken, it wouldn't take much time to cook. Add in 1 teaspoon of oregano. In goes 1.5 tablespoon of pizza or pasta sauce. If you do not have the sauce means add in 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Make sure not to overcook these chicken pieces. Add in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add in at any water, the chicken will get cooked from its own stock. Once the chicken pieces are cooked, add in 1 chopped onion and 1 cup of capsicum. I have used 3 colors capsicum to make it more beautiful. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in mud salt since soy sauce and pizza sauce has salt in it. You can check for the salt at this point of time and add it if required. Finally, add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour slurry. To prepare this, I have mixed in 1 tablespoon of water in 1 teaspoon of corn flour. This will give sticky texture to the chicken filling. Saute it for 1 minute and switch off the flame. Delicious chicken filling is ready now. Next, I'm going to prepare thick white sauce. For that, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Add in 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. In goes half a teaspoon of oregano. Saute it and add in 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. I'm going to prepare thick white sauce for this dish. Saute it without changing the color of the maida. Add in 1 cup of milk little by little and continue stirring. Mix it continuously so that no lumps form. In goes salt as needed and half a teaspoon of white pepper powder. Cook it until you get thick white sauce. White sauce is ready now. It will thicken further once it cools down. Next, we are going to assemble the chicken sliders. Slice the dinner rolls horizontally like the way I'm showing. I'm using this 9-inch non-stick baking pan to make this dish. Line the base of the pan with the dinner rolls. This is the bottom part of the dinner roll. Apply some soft unsalted butter. Add in some pizza sauce and apply evenly on top of it. You can use tomato sauce instead of pizza sauce. Spread the pizza sauce using a spatula. Now place in some cheese slices. I have taken 4 cheese slices. You can add more if needed. Actually, there's no specific measurement to assemble the chicken sliders. The cheese layer is ready now. Add in the chicken filling on top of the cheese layer. Level the chicken filling evenly with the help of a spatula. Now comes the white sauce layer. You could see the white sauce has thickened further. This should be the texture of the white sauce. Level the white sauce evenly using a spatula. Now add in mozzarella cheese on top of the white sauce. You can add more cheese if required. I have added nearly 150 to 200 grams of cheese. Sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes as needed. Cover the cheese with the other half of the dinner rolls. Apply soft unsalted butter on top of the dinner rolls. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until the cheese is melted. Look at the difference, the cheese has melted and baked perfectly. You can serve it as dinner or during any parties. Do try this cheesy chicken sliders and share me the feedback. These chicken sliders are cheesy and delicious. If you try this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.